Hatiri undu ta nganja riu mehaririria ma githurano kia muthe wa keri kiumia twerekeire ni murikiriru. O ni thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kuga maabitha 92,458 a ugitiri ni marikitie guthomithio mawatho megie ithurano kuona nio mathukiirwo wira wa ugitiri.
We are training the police and we are having 2 police at every polling station come the 9th, and all of them are trained and they are going to be elections officials.
Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya Bomas, munini wa muikariri giti wa IEBC Juliana Cherera oigite ceceni 46,229 nicio cigakorwo cikihuthika guothe bururi-ini.
7 days to the date of the polls, we affix the voters register outside the polling station. So this exercise will begin tomorrow, and by end of business tomorrow we'll have all the polling station with the voter register outside. We are very much prepared and ready. Today we have started distribution of strategic materials to the counties.
Cherera ningi ni atitirithitie kamiti ino ni yamukirite mateta megie uguri wa ibande ni andu matoikaine. Riboti iria manengereirie wabici ya munene wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai gweka uthuthuria na kuhingurira thitango aria marekuruhania na ihetia riri.
We are not aware officially that the chiefs are doing that. But when we were at the IG and the press brief was given, remember the chairman said that there are reports of people buying IDs, suppressing others so that they will not come to vote. And that issue was given to the IG to do the investigation. So anything that we receive, we give it to the respective agency that is charged with that mandate.
Ihinda-inĩ riu IEBC yugite ndiriramukira mateta kuma kuri ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza igie kuhuthika kwa macibu kugura ibande. Kamiti ino ningi ni hithuritie ceceni cia guikiria kura iria citari na network ni ciongererekete kuma 1,111 nginyagia 1,272.
Our KIMS kit are loaded with 2 SIM cards, whereby we have the primary SIM and the secondary SIM card, so that if one will not pick the network, the next one will pick the network.
No ona kuhana oroguo IEBC ni hete akenya mwihoko ni haririirie gutabania githurano kia uma na waragania, akiuga maratathi ma muthia ma wikia wa kura magakinya bururi-ini wa gatatu kiumia giki.
The first presidential ballot ballots arrived on the 27th. The next ones were to arrive on 29th, and finally the third will go to get the last ballots. So the third, it is the last bunch of the presidential ballots that are going to arrive in the country, and then we distribute them to the constituency and finally to the polling stations.
Ngiri Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wajiko.